my friend, when we're playing any chord, we play them composed of 3 notes. Those 3 notes are going to be a 1, 3, 5, at least in the Western ear. The distances betwixt the two are going to be a major third and a minor third. What does that mean? Well, if we're in the hypothetical key of D sharp major or E flat, it's going to give you the tones of having a major third or a minor third. Now, what I'd love for you to see is the way this yaw works. Most people know how to play D. I love it if you start playing your D with these 3 notes with this one finger, start bending it up, leaving the A string exposed and covering these 3 as what we would call a partial bar, B-A-R-E. So once doing this, why not try it with all of your fingers until you're super really good and awesome at doing bar chords. Take that bar chord, scoot it up a half step, and you have E flat or the hypothetical key of D sharp. Now, I'm trying to have you nerd out on this to see the idea. If you have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, D sharp, E sharp, F double sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C double sharp, D sharp. Did you see that? The 2 ones that were the sharps in the key D, D has 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. When we go to D sharp, has 5 sharps and then 2 double sharps. If you go the other way and you have like C sharp, well, that's also named D flat, guy or lady. 5 notes, D, 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 D. We have flats in them now. D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, and then we'll go to C, and it goes back to D. Those lazy natural notes. All right, so when we're looking at the key of D sharp, for this groove, I want you to play a 3, 2, 1. We can make that 1 a sus so it's not so boring. Watch this. If this is our D major, then this is our D sharp major. If this is our D major and this is our D minor, then this, when we scoot it on up, makes our E sharp minor or F minor. It's both the same thing, but you could play it anywhere you want to get these Dyads. That's what we're working on. 2 notes at a time. Pluck them with me if you can. We're going to play our first chord, D sharp, and probably just an A and E, E and C, C and G. Go all the way down, easy said. If you want to make it pizzazzy, do it on your own. If we're doing this one in our next chord, try jumping up and laying your fingers down until which you play the same chord that you're used to, but after playing a chord that's not so easy to play, you move this up to right here and then layer your fingers. So it feels the exact same. Also, by the way, if you're a rock star and you're playing your F, you've realized that the D minor is like your F, so you just squish it, and that makes F major be D minor. Then in this case, there's no difference than putting your finger here, holding here, and then hitting both of these with 1 finger. That's rock star stance. When we take that, we move that all the way up here, we get a really cool tone. Well, G. F minor, G minor. These are great chords, but let's move them up the fretboard so we get to hear the higher intonation. So do it with me now. We're gonna do a 3, 2, 1, and over the top of that, we had a major. The way to make that a sus is to put a finger down here. Oh, we're throwing out the G double sharp there. Okay. Oh, excuse me, G sharp. So when we do this, let's put our fingers down. Ready? We're gonna go from top to bottom. Move down. Chord, sus. Remove sus. Do this all day long. I hope you dig it.